Hi friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to enroll in Coursera for free of cost. As you all know now, Coursera is the one of the popular online course. Before going to the video, friends, please subscribe our channel. In Google, just type Coursera. We'll get the first link we get, just open it. This is the Coursera website. Here we find join for free. Just type on it. For joining, we should provide some necessary details like full name, Gmail, and create a password, which I have created already. So I'm going to log in. Now I'm entering my Gmail ID and now I'm entering the password. I'm entering the password. After that, verification is taking. So okay, let me do it. After verifying, just log in. So we are logging for Coursera website. It's loading. So friends, you can search for any of your courses. Which course you want to do, you can search in the search bar and take up that course. Now, as of now, I am taking up Python. I'm searching for Python courses. Now I have found Python for everybody and Python 3 programming specialization. I'm opening up Python 3 programming specialization. You can see here enroll for free. If we click on it, we get 7 days trial pack, and if you can clear the course in 7 days, then fine, you can take up this. If not, I have other idea also. Let me go back. Let me close this window. I'll go to other course also and show you. For every course it shows like that only. I'm opening up for Python for everybody. In Python for everybody also, you can see the same, enroll for free, and it is also 7 days trial pack. So similarly, if you can complete, you can take it up. If not, just click on the financial aid. If you click it, it shows this window. This will be applicable for, it takes 15 days. So click to the application, fill this application. Like you see two boxes, just enable it. After that, type as it is what is there on the screen. I agree the terms above. Please be careful while typing it. Since I made mistake, few people don't make that mistake. I entered small letter I instead of capital I. So it is not giving up, so let me retype this. Okay, let me retype this. Okay. retyping it. I agree to the terms above. Just click on continue. After that, application will be opened. Just fill the background information. After filling up the background information, let me fill this first. Educational background. Entering this in that college and degree. Dollars. I'm just giving randomly the number here. It's your wish, you can give anything. I'm giving this part-time job since I'm a student. So the most important is in this bar you should just give 0. Now you can see 3 questions available. You should fill those 3 questions. After filling those 3 questions, just submit the application. Application will be verified within 15 days. After that, you can enroll for Coursera, any of the courses in Coursera. Thank you.